We're given a cubic equation with roots alpha, beta, gamma. We're asked to make an appropriate substitution, or otherwise we could use the roots of polynomials equations to find a cubic equation with these coefficients. It tends to be a little bit quicker to do the substitution. It's only 3 marks. It's going to be quite epic to do the roots of polynomials, so I'm not going to go through it using that method. There are other questions that will use that. Let's go for the substitution. It does suggest it. It's going to be the best option. So if x has roots alpha, beta, and gamma, then if we do w equals 1 over x, w will necessarily, because it's 1 over x, will have roots 1 over alpha, 1 over beta, 1 over gamma, which is what we want. Okay, brilliant. So just need to get an equation, a cubic equation, in terms of w. What we can then do is get x in terms of w and sub it in. So 2, 1 over w cubed. I'm just replacing all of my x's by 1 over w, plus 3, 1 over w squared, minus 5, 1 over w, plus 4 is going to equal 0. And now I'm going to times through by w cubed. So 2 plus 3w minus 5w squared. This is very, very quick. Plus 4w cubed is equal to 0. And that is essentially my equation. I'm just going to rewrite it so the highest power goes first. You can put x, back as in there if you want. You can call it whatever you like. The roots will still be 1 over alpha, 1 over beta, 1 over gamma. So I'm going to leave it in terms of w. And that is our answer. Nice. So this substitution method works so well when the same thing is happening to every root. If you're just adding 1 to every root, or if you're doing 1 over, or even 1 over squared, or some other kind of thing, that the same thing's happening to each one. Substitution is often the way to go, but make sure you do learn about the roots of polynomials as well. That thing with the sum of all the roots is minus b over a and everything. It's quite a few lines, quite complicated for this question, which is why I'm not going to go through it. I think I'd say, you know what, that's for other questions. Practice it, of course, but here the best thing to do is definitely going to be a substitution.